My experience here at Inventive Media has been truly remarkable. I want to say the trainers are very knowledgeable and passionate about what they do. I've learned more about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and so on during my web development classes. I have gained a practical experience in web development thanks to the hands-on approach. I'm really grateful for the support and guidance I received from the Inventive Media team. Now I feel confident enough to step into the world of IT as a web developer. If you're looking to improve your information technology skills and start a new career, I highly recommend Inventive Media.